Ever get that sinking feeling when your phone rings and it's an unknown number? You answer cautiously, hoping it's not a telemarketer or worse, a robocall. In today's business world, clear communication is crucial, but the traditional phone system can feel outdated. That's where cloud-based communication platforms like RingCentral come in. They offer a unified system for voice calls, video conferencing, messaging, and more. But with so many companies vying for your business, a question might pop into your head. Who exactly is behind RingCentral? Today, we'll dive deep into the ownership structure of RingCentral, exploring the journey from a young startup to a publicly traded giant. Buckle up, because this story involves venture capitalists, strategic acquisitions, and a vision for the future of communication. From humble beginnings, the seeds of RingCentral are sown. The story starts in 1999, during the height of the dot-com boom. Vlad Shmunis, a visionary entrepreneur, recognized the potential of the internet to revolutionize business communication. He co-founded RingCentral with Vadim Tarasov, aiming to create a cloud-based phone system that was more flexible and scalable than traditional options. Back then, RingCentral was a young company with a bold vision. They faced stiff competition from established players in the telecom industry. But the company persevered, securing funding from venture capital firms like Sequoia Capital and Mayfield Fund. This early investment provided RingCentral with the resources it needed to develop its technology and build a customer base. The rise of a public company, IPO, and a new era. Fast forward to 2013. RingCentral had established itself as a leader in the cloud communications market. The company felt confident enough to take the next big step, going public. Their initial public offering, IPO, was a resounding success, raising over $182 million. This marked a turning point for RingCentral. Publicly traded companies operate under different pressures compared to startups. They need to answer to shareholders and deliver consistent financial performance. However, the IPO also brought significant benefits. RingCentral gained access to a larger pool of capital, allowing them to invest in research and development, expand their product offerings, and pursue strategic acquisitions. Building an empire, acquisitions fuel growth. One of RingCentral's key growth strategies has been strategic acquisitions. They've actively sought out companies that complement their existing offerings, allowing them to expand their product portfolio and reach new customer segments. Here are some notable acquisitions that have shaped RingCentral's current landscape. VoIP provider Gvox in 2010. This acquisition bolstered RingCentral's voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, capabilities. Video conferencing platform Pexip in 2020. With the rise of remote work, video conferencing became essential. Pexip's technology solidified RingCentral's position as a one-stop shop for communication needs. Security company BroadVoice in 2021. Cybersecurity is paramount in today's digital age. BroadVoice expertise helped RingCentral enhance the security features of its platform. Through these acquisitions, RingCentral has transformed from a pure-play cloud phone system provider to a comprehensive communication solution. Who owns RingCentral today? A look at the shareholder landscape. Now that we've explored RingCentral's history and growth strategies, let's finally answer the burning question. Who owns RingCentral today? The answer lies in the company's shareholder structure. Publicly traded companies like RingCentral have a variety of shareholders, each with varying levels of ownership. Here's a breakdown of the key players. Institutional investors. These are large financial institutions like investment banks, mutual funds, and pension funds. They hold a significant portion of RingCentral's shares, often seeking long-term returns. Individual investors. Regular folks like you and me can also own shares in RingCentral through investment platforms. While individual ownership is typically more dispersed, it contributes to the overall shareholder base. Founders and management. The founding team, Vlad Shmunis and Vadim Tarasov, likely still hold some shares in RingCentral. Additionally, key members of the management team might have stock options, giving them a stake in the company's success. It's important to note that specific ownership percentages can fluctuate over time. Institutional investors might buy and sell shares based on market conditions, and individual investors can adjust their portfolios. The future of RingCentral. continued innovation and expansion. With a solid foundation and a clear vision, RingCentral is well-positioned for continued growth. They're constantly innovating, developing new features, and integrating with other business applications.